Salvatore,
Hi, I'm Chidin.
doing well.
I'm very good. Good doing that.
Hi, do it again. Introduce this Chida.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. My name is Tsawang Lhamo, and thank you for having me. Chisem Foundation's video call, video conference, and we're doing this interview, I guess. Thank you for having me. It's an honor.
Salvangani Hanu motion good.
Love that motion good. Like it's for almost like 7 years. And we're still in contact. That means like more than 14 years, I guess. 먼저 가스슬린 로드윈 로거라야 럽다는 것인 거라 로드윈 로 줍시스로 머신 체
Chiwa Hongodi Katu Simslanaya, Kurangi Colores, Simcom Chile and Anakandi Rores and Git, mental health, Lanakandi Rores and Git.
mental health for me it's like I don't know how doctors and mental health professionals says about mental health or scientists or doctors or like students says about it, but since like me personally, I think mental health is like the inner yourself. Susu jungune susu diora nga la jigoraya. Like nga like susu like you yourself is nowhere to be found if you really think deeply. And mental health is for me like sometimes it could be very emotional, sometimes very psychological, sometimes like it could affect you. There get ups and downs, like emotionals. These are the feelings and how you handle things. Like mental health for me is like an ability to make choices, to think, to decide. Then the mental health is good. It's like empty shell, I guess, because then it's just like puppet. You can't do nothing without your mind deciding it for you, right? Mind can't do nothing. You're like a dead body. Since our mind is making all that choices, whether it's good or bad, it could like affect your social well-being, your mental health state. And that's why like you are your own boss. Like it's inside you, like it's nowhere to be found, but it's just a process, whether it's good or bad. That's it, I guess. That's like my understanding of a mental health.
Mental health the
Of course, 100%. 100% absolutely. Mental health, it's over. It's done for. It's like it's the mental health, but nobody's perfect, right? Nobody's perfect. And it's just a process. Ups and downs down they could think like a lot of worse thing like mental health, because look, all that illness could get you, like all the illness culture, mental health, mental disorder, bipolar, burnout, depression, stress, and personality disorder or the eating just culture illness. They all could visit you if you don't have a healthy mental health. But I'm not saying everybody should have a healthy mental health because it's not given mara. Like me like family background like all the problems, the mental health like affecting it, like everything, like social well-being,
family, classmates,
students, like, school stress too, bro. School stress 그치? 그래서 한자기 더야. 라운드 mental health 뒤에 독자스 우리게 원치네 더야. 정말 디어리 직접 sometimes 약부신 직접을 심바다에 운동을 mental health 조절이게 원치네. It's important to have a healthy mental health. That's what I want to say.
Semana kangiro tidi sembala jigoro lidi pressure mangbole stress mangbole ani the interview do nara anxiety do this high level chera da.
Of course.
Ende do chadi amya ke sila ke jeshadi.
Yes, of course. It's like there's a lot of people like me, meaning who don't have like family with them. Like like there's no family they could talk to, especially like if you forget how to talk with your parents. Like for me, like in my situation, right, like 아니 페이기 틈바지다 페이기 틈바지도 like 페이는 능이 믿어서 상마도에 they have hard accents. accent do and if you can't communicate with your parents, and all I got is friends, all I got is like people who are around me, like who's in my circle, and my beloved ones, like those are the people who I ready to talk to, who I seek help from them. Like we talk about all little things, and like if I'm going through something, like I will talk with them, and all my friends we gather at my place, and then we be at balcony, and then we talk for hours and hours. You know how girls be like, and this balcony this Hawaii look and then we talk for hours and hours. That's how I relieve all my stress, and how I get help. Then like no hesitation. You just talk, and then and then my friends will say their opinion. They will try to understand me. They will listen to me, and then I'll say what I'm going through, and they will say something on the top of it, like they will encourage me. And problem solve but problem solve problem solve
feeling
the
really
long it will help you. Like little things matters, little things really do matter. It will help a lot.
I'm very happy that you have very homey place to share.
Yeah, I'm happy where I'm at right now.
So thanda your counselor do that therapy until visiting your appointment ne do da consuming the share da that experience do you have?
No, actually, like I have never been to like a counseling or therapy. Like if I be in my bed by myself at nighttime, then like I do have like I have hard time sleeping. Like that's like to a lot of people, because there's a lot of things going inside you, and then you will think a lot, and then then I feel like, oh my god, I really do got some like serious problems. But then I feel like I need to seek a counseling or therapy to the or some good, because then I feel like I really have some like serious problems, right? But next day, the funny part is next day I forget all about it. I feel like next day, okay, it's a new day, new chapter, it's new me. Let's start new. Let's forget all about this. And then next day is just new me. So like I have never been to like a counseling or a therapist, but yeah, but I feel like friends is my therapist. If you be with your friends, if you talk to your friends the most and to your loved ones, that's like there are your like therapists, because they help you with your problems. And why bother giving out money if you can have like a free
Free counselors and therapy sessions
ever. Especially if you can save money and then have friends over and then talk with them, like like get just share them with no hesitation. Then if I have to, then I will seek like a therapist, because of professional lawyer and professional advice. I feel like it will help you more. But in the situation therapist therapist situation never happened. I'm good. Like I'm good with my friends, especially my sister. I talk with her a lot.
Have you ever experienced mental health issues like depression or anxiety, like in school or wherever? The color depression, the anxiety, but high level.
High level, but to be honest, like I don't really want to talk about it. Like I did like experience like those down times. And the minor education, like when I first came to Swiss, right? Like in Swiss, like we speak German. It's a whole nother level, like German, whole new language. ABCD, and then at school, right? Everybody speaks German, like everybody, and they don't that good English. And I'm anxious, like anxiety and anxious really nervous it like especially if I have to go like go on the stage and then present something like the and share and I feel like I'll mistake to something mistake to then especially like I do experience sometimes like people be laughing at me when I speak German because I don't speak that good German when I first came to of course I don't speak good German, come on. I have to start new from ABC, like how am I not that good German, right? And like when I do something in front of them, like they will laugh at me because because I make mistakes.
Yeah.
Like I experienced that a lot. You get like people laughing at me and people mocking me like Asian, how Asian be like in foreign country, they be like ching ching chong and me and like you feel down. Like so confidence still loud, confidence lara, and then share with paranoid share gozuejiga mitsang chini jungal chilanga then the and then so lack of confidence and then you don't love yourself that time and so and then it's hard to make friends too if you feel like that. So lack of confidence China though and the friend circle friends must not like you won't improve. Right? Then I was feeling mumbling and then special job interviews like I have been to like maybe like more than 7 times job interview nervous but not nervous but mental stress like work stress, so I work 9 to 5 like 100% work then work stress like if everything come at once and then you have to deal with a lot of stuff like and then if you're not ready for that like like didn't got everyday experience didn't the experience that a lot like stressful but then later when I finish my job then it's all over and then I'll have the rest of the day to myself, then I'll try to calm down, then watch K-drama, watch entertaining shows like Running Man. It makes me laugh. And then later at night I hang out with my friends or watch movie. Yes, every day is new stress a little but there's no never ending.
Ngai dore samgit ngai college la degora nanga master chigore masuna 진아나 부 죽주스여라다 죽주스 배방 아직도라다
Okay.
배방 아직도라야 아니 다 당보살레디 introduce 치우라다 겔라사 아직레나 introduce 치겔라살레 introduce 테마섬 시체라 어마 땅아 말랭이라 예 anxious 체드라 예 뭐세드라 confidence 때 before lockdown I was better during my first college I was better but after lockdown happens and online yeah 아니 나또 마슬리네 introduce 치우네 락방문화돼 introduce 치라 가시오 스스스 하고 스스밍 하고 스스 제모제 거기 하고 하고 오라다 딘디실라 팬시오라 ngai ondi ta susu chikta ya susu boundary ro suis ta hamasta sembanang lo la ya ngaji buji pebarisha ani gyaga 정말 gyaga
true very true
아니 랑알라 시데요 콘서 찍지 섬겨다 찍지 섬로 일리다 이니 양가 진짜 받는데 양 찰리 뒤나다 찰리로 게임도 돼요 콘서 갭라 칼레 nga ha me tarainya dilada nga yamte chambushi inde do chi
hard but life in general is hard but life is beautiful at one side. But I can relate the susu daya dendero dungba chik shimba chik ready daya susu peba susu chikbu roena daya I feel like boundary susu duna shagu is the mena ta karina openly ke share but boundary thought and then you are blocked like nothing, then you are all by yourself. Dengan slowly boundary kan za chao chen dang ada ngama confidence ma wo me ra ta ten sang confidence relation ten sang that I love myself, you know what I'm saying, like I don't care, like, I don't care. Derman the la get inchi la pick it la get it. Like no boundaries no more.
Nice.
So process really get you have to trust the process.
Yeah.
당보도 dinde chikles na to ya what do some merda the gang mo the tumore. And then trust the process, and then you know susu gaya effort toward the gang le dwela. Effort much they did while they didn't, and then picture.
Send message to your 2019 self. 2019? Yeah.
2019 was like the best year.
2019 was best year.
Yeah, that was before Corona, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that was before Corona. It was my second year of apprenticeship. I was having a lot of fun. That time, like I was like stress free. And kulana doya. Tsawang Lhamo. I'm kidding. Tsawang Lhamo, you did very good. This is who you are right now. Thank you for, you know, holding it down. Thank you for believing in yourself. Thank you for being patient. Thank you for always being there for me. Because end of the day, you are your most loyal friends. To trust my Thank you, Tsawang Lhamo. And love you.
Now the video the YouTube na lui ra ni YouTube na la video tangi li ra da. Wanenzela, do you have any words for them?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Stay positive, spread love, no hate. You know, keep on doing what you're doing right now. I don't know all your viewers, but whatever you are doing, keep fighting for it. It will eventually come. Never give up. Love yourself. It's very important. Love yourself, people. Enjoy. YOLO, bro. You live YOLO. We believe in karma. We believe in next afterlife, all that. But this lifetime, YOLO. You live only once this lifetime. Next lifetime is next. Whatever comes next is next. Future is not.
Next Lhamo might be mosquito or tiger.
Lhamo could be Donald Trump's son-in-law, or maybe, I don't know. I could be anybody, bro. I could be anybody.
Rapper ji bu ji ke sa
was another. Cardi B ji bumugi pu kana da it's how to scale. Life is fun though. Life is fun. Life is full of ups and downs. It's like your tails, you know. You can never cut it. Damn, it's always behind you. You know, you don't know. You don't see it. It's always behind you, or maybe up front. You know, in the government, the ups and downs is always there. But life is full of surprise. Life is full of gifts, and accept who you are. Love yourself. Have confidence. And then move on.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm excited. This is actually more exciting than job interviews. I swear to God.
Yeah, of course.
Like, I'm comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm comfortable. Maybe like nervous. Of course, it's an interview, right? But you know, I think I said all the things I wanted to say. I'm good. I'm happy. Like thank you.
Thank you for joining us. I hope the best for you, and I hope we'll meet soon.
How are you feeling?
I think I'm feeling good.
Good. How good? Very good. Very good. Or
you know, today we don't have class. Lying on a bed watching Netflix. Nice. I'm doing something productive because of you, and I'm feeling very happy for that. Because this interview was planned a month back, but it's happening just now. So I'm finally happy that we are.
Thank you.